Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and in today's video we're gonna be taking a pair of heritage Air Jordan 1s and transforming them into a pair of Bred 1s. Let's get it and let's go. First things first, let's get into it. Let's talk about the base shoe that we're using today. These are the heritage Air Jordan 1s. These are going for such a great price right now. On StockX, the market price is under retail. There's some pairs hovering at around 160 and some pairs going a little bit more for 170 bucks depending on what size you need. So if you guys are interested in purchasing the base shoe, I'll have a link down below to eBay. That is going to be an affiliated link, so if you guys purchase through that, you'll be helping me out a little bit and you'll be able to get those shoes for a really good price. So it's a win-win situation. Now, like I said, in today's video, we're gonna be transforming them into the Bred Air Jordan 1 colorway, but I've seen a lot of people do different colorways on here, and you could essentially apply anything that you see in this video to create whatever colorway you would like for this shoe right here. I've seen people do Chicago's, I've seen people do black toes, so if you guys are into those colorways, this is the perfect base shoe for them. But my customer wanted Bred 1s, so I was like, all right, let's do it. Breds are going for about $800 right now, so with a little bit of time, a little bit of love, and a little bit of care, you could essentially create a Bred 1 colorway for the cost of a pair of shoes, 160 bucks, plus about $20 in materials. So without any further ado, let's get into the materials list. We're gonna be using Angelus leather prep and Deglazer and some cotton rounds. I will have a link down below in the description to angelusdirect.com. That's where I get all of my customization goods. And I also have a discount code for you guys to use as well. It should take about 10% off of your order. And again, that will be all in the description down below. We'll also be using Angelus flat black for this custom, a little bit of GAC 900, which is a fabric painting medium. And of course, we need our paintbrushes. Boom! Just like that. I'm using the 20/0 spotter. This is a thinner brush that we're gonna use for the thread. And then I like to use the number 2 filbert. That's it for the materials though, so let's go ahead and get this project started. So whenever you're about to start a custom, the first thing you need to do is prep the leather. So anything that you're going to paint, you need to prep. Obviously for the Bred colorway, we're gonna need to paint around the toe. We're also gonna need to paint the mid panels. And basically everything that's white needs to be painted black. I'm gonna go everything with my leather prep and Deglazer and our cotton round. And all we're gonna do is just lightly scrub it. And you'll start seeing part of the white come off, which is totally fine. But just make sure you get that nice and kind of sticky feeling on the leather. That's gonna help the paint adhere, and it will last much longer if you guys do this properly. All right, y'all, this is one light coat of the flat black on the shoe right now, and it's already looking amazing. As you guys could probably tell, we do have this white trim along the leather right here. Now, I've seen people do this custom before, and a lot of people just don't like hitting the edges for whatever reason, but I guarantee you guys, if you hit the edges, that is going to determine whether this custom looks like the real deal or if it just looks like a custom. So if you guys want it to look like the real deal, you got to do the edges. When I talk about edges, I'm talking about all the raw edges right here. You're gonna have raw edges over here. I like to paint a little bit within this area because when you close it, you can kind of see through in some areas. So basically we just follow the stitch line. I'll show you guys in a bit. Every single portion, like even if you look at it from this angle, there's gonna be some marks where it's gonna be a little bit white in here, a little bit in here. So this is a pretty detailed custom in terms of that. But once you hit that, you can hit that one time, it'll look good, bro. All you do is you just grab your brush, take your time, just put a little bit of paint on here, and you just start, boom, hitting the edges. It's my favorite part. Let's get right to it.
All right, everyone, we're getting close to the end of this very, very simple custom. And this part right here requires the most amount of patience and attention. So if you look at the normal pair of band or Bred ones, all the stitching right here goes all the way through and it's just black stitching. We're gonna go ahead and mimic the stitching using our super thin brush. You guys see that? You see how thin this is? So we're just gonna do one by one, just like this. Put a little bit of paint on here, keep a steady hand, and then that will mimic that look.
Now that you guys saw the whole process of this custom, I think it's only right to show you guys the final results. So with that being said, let's take a look at our brand new Air Jordan Bred 1s. If you guys enjoy these videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed already, and leave a comment for me down below on what you think about these. Again, the current market for Bred 1s is about $800 to $900, which is absolutely insane, but you could buy a pair of Air Jordan Heritage 1s for about 160 bucks and convert them to Bred 1s pretty easy. If we're talking about difficulty, I'll give this one maybe about a 4 out of 10. It's pretty easy as long as you take your time. If you guys are locals, I am opening some slots if you guys want me to customize your pair. In order to get your pair customized, you can email me at bayrestorations@gmail.com, which will be linked down below in the description. But with all that being said, I'm gonna close this video out right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.